Destroy by bending. Applicable to destruction and destruction of mechanical hard drives and solid-state drives. Use a high-hardness hammer to bend the hard disk, destroy the data disk, bearing, read-write head. Crush the drive shell, break the PC board, and make the data impossible to recover. Use after degaussing to ensure complete destruction of the hard drive. Small size, beautiful appearance. Low noise, friendly office environment design. With a pressure of more than 5 tons, the hard disk can be easily bent, which can damage the drive and components.